Hi Roberts Middle School students, it's Mrs. Lopez again. I had made another video that showed you how to get on and access Canvas, but I wanted to address some questions and concerns that students have been having when they actually are on Canvas. So once you go on and log in through Library and through Clever, and you get to your actual Canvas course, you're going to see your dashboard. Now your dashboard shows you all of the courses that you have. Some students are saying that they don't see all of their classes there. So if that's the case, you may have to go to courses. I have a lot of courses here because I have all the middle school courses, but you may just have the ones that you are currently enrolled in. But you would make sure that you click on all courses, and then the only courses that will show up on your dashboard are the ones that you have favorited. So if you have a star that's not filled in, make sure you click it and turn that star orange. Then those are going to be the classes that show up on your dashboard. Then when you go back to your dashboard, all of your classes that you're enrolled in should be there, and then you can click on them and see the work that your teachers have put on there for you. Another question that we've been getting is how you submit work or turn it in once you're in your course. So I'm just looking at an 8th grade language and literature course with Miss Leiden. Now your courses probably look a little similar. They may have some differences, but either way you have assignments here. And when it's time to when it's time to do an assignment, you would click on it. And then when you're ready to submit that assignment, you click submit. Now, depending on how your teacher input the assignment, there may be choices on how you could submit that assignment. So if there are more than one choice here, then there's multiple ways that you could choose to submit your assignment. You could do a file upload. Now, a file upload would be if you had done the assignment on a Word document or some other document, and then you had saved it on your computer and you wanted to upload it here. A text entry, if it has a text entry, it's going to give you a blank text box, and you can go ahead and type your answer right in here. You could add a picture, you could add a chart, you can bold, you can change the font, any of those things, and then submit your assignment. Or Office 365 will link to your Office 365 account where you could have saved a Word document or a PowerPoint or something else to upload. So if your teacher had entered there in multiple ways, sometimes there's only one way to enter your assignment. It may just be the text entry, and then there'll just be a text box. But if there are multiple ways, then you can choose the way that you want to upload your assignment into Canvas. I hope that was helpful to you, and I hope that you guys are all doing good at home, and I hope to see you soon.